So today we are cooking goat head soup. Connect Four's getting freaked out by the head, look on it. Eat and everything. Why are yes people? Oh man, it's the last episode of the season, man. Big up Connect 4, they are. My name's them that are. That's Connect 4 Entertainment. And we are Cook and Vibe. Don't worry, it's only gonna be a month and we will be back on your YouTube screen. You get me? So we had to go out of a bang. We had to. So today we are cooking Manish water, goat head soup. Yeah! Connect 4's getting freaked out by the head, look on it. Highball and teeth and everything. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Goat head. You get me? So that's what we're dealing with today. This one's good for the wood. Bull stone the rooster, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so big up the bridging, you know what I'm saying? We're in Gillingham, right? And I always come and get my stuff from here. Always really good product, good food. Really good stuff all the time. So if you're in Gillingham, we'll show you outside in a minute. We just need a couple things with the soup. Alright. We need some mix. Right, where did that? Right, let's see it there, people. Ram goat soup mix. We're gonna need some of that. We're gonna need some all-purpose seasoning as well. The authentic seasonings. Let's see, they're all purpose. Got that one there already. Let's see if they have a different one. There we go. All purpose seasoning. So yeah. Ram goat soup mix, all-purpose seasoning. That's the only really seasoning you need to put inside it, you know, people. Apart from that, just garlic, ginger, and the vegetables there. Let me see what I've got. The rest sat down there. So, all right, here what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a cho-cho. Cho-cho. Need some yam. Don't need too much yam. You can chop this from a G? Yeah? Yes, no problem. Yeah, so, alright. That we need some pumpkin. Pumpkin cho-cho. We need a little bit of ginger. We need ginger and a Scotch bonnet. You have ginger? Right down there. Sit down there, people. Ah, and okra. We need too much ginger, so
Make one packet is 1,000. This is good ginger.
yeah?
Yeah, one packet is 1.
Okay, no problem. I might as well take that for a pound then, yeah. Scotch bonnet. Okra. We're in the game. Boy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're watching this, you get me? Yeah man, Manish water, goat head soup. You get me? The one there boost for your rooster. You see me? Yeah! You know anything already people, so we're there in the garden, we're back, shack, we're there. You see me? We have the goat head here. Alright, so today's ingredients. You're gonna need a goat head. Normally, they chop up the head to little bits, put it in. That's no fun, is it? We wanna see head. Like, even we went into a place and me and Connect Paul, they had goat head, but it was chopped up and we was like, nah. We're gonna go and get zebra. What do you think's a joke? Just wait a couple weeks, man, and we'll be back to season 5. We are not playing in season, we're gonna cook some madnesses. We're going safari. Yeah, trust me. Just bear with us. You get me? So yeah, anyway, so today's ingredients, you're gonna need a head, you're gonna need okra, Scotch bonnet, cho-cho, garlic, ginger, yam, green banana. I did forget something, and that's Irish potatoes, just normal potatoes. So you're supposed to have them. Only seasonings we're gonna put in is some all-purpose seasoning, and at the end we're gonna put some ram goat soup mix. You know what I'm saying? So waste no time. Don't really want to touch it, to be honest. It's got blue eyes. It's quite gory, and I get that. But this is a lot of good nutrients in this, and it's definitely good for men and your, you know, that's the tongue there, clearly. You know what I'm saying? There it is. So we should just put him straight in. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil this for an hour. Good hour. Tenderize the head, you know what I'm saying? And then, just gonna chuck everything in. Yeah. Why is there no pumpkin there? I bought pumpkin from the shop. You need to put pumpkin in it, man. I'm just realizing when I'm looking at it, I'm saying, well, can I have pumpkin there? Oh man, I'd have to search for the pumpkin somewhere. I might have to go and get something anyway. But pumpkin and Irish potato, you need to put with it. Bubble, she a bubble in a brother. Yeah, tell her, man. Look on high ball. Look on high ball. Yeah, all the goodness of the head is definitely getting into that juice there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know how long do you reckon that's been on there? I don't know, that's probably been on there about 40, but we're probably going to give that like another 15 minutes or so. And then we're going to put our vegetables in. Like, so, like I forgot the pumpkin and the potato, Irish potato. So I've got them. So all it is now is literally just peeling the rest of the, vegetables. And that's it, you know what I'm saying? I feel a bit sad today. It's the end of the season. But again, like I was explaining, we need time, you know? Everything can't just be... You might just see us cooking a mad thing and say, oh, yeah, they're on a mad thing again. But, you know, these things take time, planning, effort, research, you know? So we just need a little bit of time to get some good content together for you. We've already got the ideas, we know exactly what we're doing, we're not stopping filming, we're gonna continue to film and just come back bigger and better, do you know what I'm saying? It's always about trying to step it up. So yeah.
Magic Island, baby.
Jojo. Yeah, people, oi, so mad, I'm gonna do an episode, yeah? How to throw yam, oi, fam, yeah? Just, see what I done, right? This man got a piece of yam like this, G, yeah? I put it in half a bowl of water, like just like that. And after about a month, fam, the little roots started to grow out of it. Yeah? I took it out of there, bro. I put it in a pot, put it in the front. Bro, just know the thing's growing now. The vine off the yam is about this big. Soon go in the ground, people. It's a mad thing. You get me? So I think that's what, by the time we come back, everything will be growing as well. We have some fresh vegetables and we can do some garden episodes. You get me? So yeah, pumpkin, Irish potato, chocho, yam, green banana, garlic, and ginger. That's what we're gonna put in. And the Scotch bonnet. And all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna, after that's done, we're gonna put these on. We're gonna cook these for another sort of like half an hour, 40 minutes. And then okra and the ram goat soup mix for like 5 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes after that's done, you know what I'm saying? So we're done now, people. It's Cook and Vibe, season 4, last episode. Make sure you share. Why? Yes, people, so I've got all the provisions cut up in there. So Scotch bonnet, garlic, just that little, you know what I'm saying? 3 cloves, I put 3 cloves of garlic in. 3 nice big cloves. Come on. Ginger, that much. Again, just break it up, so you know what I mean? So yeah, we're just gonna put all this in, literally, right now. I'm gonna put this straight in. Let's see how it's looking, people. Let's see how it's looking. Why, Manish water. There's any, let's go for a spoon in a minute. So yeah, let's put all our, actually let's, before we put any provisions in, all-purpose seasoning. So, all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna put some salt in a minute. So, pumpkin, green banana, Irish potato, ginger, garlic, everything. So yeah, it's literally just a...
Tip it in.
Oh, tip it in.
Man said take it one by one.
Yeah. There we go, man. There we go. So all that's left now, I'm gonna put a bit of salt in that. Leave that for another like half an hour. And then we're gonna add the okra and the ram goat mix. You get me? Not much seasoning goes into this one here. Not like a chicken soup where you put this all-purpose chicken seasoning and this and that, you know? So yeah, man. The night thing got people cook and vibe, man. Why I? You don't know. You know what I mean? The last bit now, people. Okra. Wow, they smelling good. Smells like a kind of like lamb stew type of thing. A little bit more gamey, but like, yeah. That's what you could like. It's what's it similar to, you might reckon. Lamb stew. The one you have goodness in it. You get me? So the okra goes in. Ram goat soup mix. Product of Jamaica. Do you know what's funny, people? Look at that. Alright, you know what's funny, you see last week, man, I was chopping up some cane, yeah? And everyone's like, oh, I thought I was gonna witness a bad hand. Like, yeah, I did. I chopped my thumb, you know. I cut that bit out of the episode. Chop my thumb, man. Yeah, and then afterwards, people were telling me, chop away from yourself. Well, thank you for telling me afterwards. Yeah. Here we go. Nicely to the sort of colour that I'm used to seeing in Manish water. So yeah, they call this Manish water, but goat head soup. But yeah, Manish water is the other name for it. Now this is going to be ready literally now. 8 minutes. Yeah, just let the noodles and the okra warm up and thing, and then we shall try the Manish water. Zeli! Don't know people, man. It's cooking 5, man. Why I? Yes, I put the pot from fire. Manish water, we are dealing with it. Oh, what is that song, bro? Anyway, no, fuck it. Yeah, anyway, you know what I mean? I'm trying to think of the song. Alright, people. We're ready. The moment of truth is here. It's been a couple of hours, yeah? It's ready. Now the Manish water is ready. Now Jamaican people are gonna cuss me. They're gonna cuss me right now. They're gonna say, where's the spinner dumpling? I hear you, innit? I'm sorry. Don't mean to disrespect things. But there we have it. There we have it, people. Let's get a little. Is that any good? Is that any good, see? Yeah, look on it. It smells amazing. It smells mad. I mean, obviously the head ain't a great look, do you know what I'm saying? But all that goodness in there, man. Boost for your rooster. You do me. Oi, oi. Here we go. Yeah. Now you always get Manish water in like a little, like plastic, not plastic, you know, like a little paper cup kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we're gonna deal with it. Some cho-cho. Some yam. Some pumpkin. I need to find some green banana, people.
Talk louder.
Where's the green banana? See, he's telling me to talk louder. There's the green banana, hey, look. Some of that in there. Some Irish potato. A little bit more pumpkin. There we have it.
Magic Island made it.
Yeah. Manish water. We got professional right there. Look at that, man. It smells mad. So let's put that down because that will burn in my hand. Right, let's go. Pumpkin. It needs a little bit more salt. Needs a little bit more salt in there. 10-10. Yum. Hot.
Magic Island made it.
Very similar to lamb stew, them type of things. Like I said. okra. It's all good, man. It's all tasting good. Look, last bit there, look. Got the last bit in. Green banana. You know when you eat something so hot, I can feel that burning as it goes down. Manish water. It's the end of the season. You get me? Crazy, crazy stuff. We're gonna try and go like more crazy than we did before. Don't know how that's gonna be possible, but with Cook and Vibe, there's always a way. I love you lot, man. Seriously. If it weren't for you lot, we just wouldn't do it. Simple. If we don't get no views, we don't get that. It's just not worth doing it. It really is you lot that make this channel happen. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. Keep supporting the ting. That's Connect for Entertainment. I am M.R. This was season 4 of Cook and Vibe, and I will see you lot on the other side. Why I?